As in previous stitches, use a leaf shape and draw 2 lines in the middle. We will number them from 1 to 4. We will start from bottom of the leaf and work up. Make 1 straight stitch on the line 4 and bring the needle to the entry point. Working backwards, bring the needle from line 1 to line 2, then from line 4 to line 3. From line 1 to line 2, then from line 4 to line 3. Repeat the steps for the rest of the leaf. Make stitches closer together if you want to cover the leaf completely.